What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon. Today, we're checking out the best car relay tester that can help you quickly find electrical problems in your vehicle. If you work on cars or like fixing things yourself, this tool can save a lot of time and effort. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick overview of the Elantra Car Relay Tester. This device is made to check whether automotive relays are working properly or not. The Elantra Car Relay Tester gives a simple go or no-go result, so you can know immediately if the relay is good or needs to be replaced. It is a very useful tool for anyone who wants to keep their vehicle electrical system running smoothly. One of the best things about the Elantra Car Relay Tester is the easy power connection. The tester uses two alligator clips that connect directly to the car battery. The black clip goes to the negative side, and the red clip goes to the positive side. Once connected, the red light turns on to show the tester is ready to work. This simple setup makes the testing process fast and clear. Another helpful feature of the Elantra Car Relay Tester is support for both 4-pin and 5-pin relays. Before testing, you only need to choose the correct setting, and the device will handle the rest. This makes the tester useful for many different vehicles without needing extra tools. Testing with the Elantra Car Relay Tester is very simple. You place the relay into the tester slot and press the test button. The device automatically checks the relay pins and makes sure the connection is correct. If the relay type is not supported or the pins are damaged, the tester shows a red light to warn you. For compatible relays, the Elantra Car Relay Tester runs a full check by opening and closing the relay contacts several times. During this process, the tester measures how fast the relay responds. If the timing is wrong or the contact is not stable, the red light will turn on to show there is a problem. If everything works correctly, the green light appears, so you know the relay is in good condition. Because of this automatic testing system, the Elantra Car Relay Tester helps avoid guesswork. You do not need to manually check wires or use complicated tools. The device gives a clear result in just a few seconds. In terms of design, the Elantra Car Relay Tester is compact and easy to carry. The strong body and simple buttons make it comfortable to use in the garage or on the road. The clips, socket, and lights are all placed in a way that makes the tester easy to understand even for beginners. In real life, this tool is very useful when a car has starting problems, light issues, or electrical faults. Instead of replacing parts one by one, the Elantra Car Relay Tester lets you check the relay quickly and find the real problem. This product is perfect for mechanics, car owners, technicians, and anyone who likes doing vehicle maintenance at home. Want a faster way to find relay problems? The Elantra Car Relay Tester can make your work much easier. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.